Assalamualaikum, selamat sejahtera. Nama saya Muhammad Arif Nakidin bin Misnan. Nombor metrik 09 DMB 20F1016. Okey, Nasrul.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Muhammad Nasrul bin Azami. Nombor metrik 09 DMB 20F1020.
Okey, Munir.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Muhammad Munir bin Muhammad Gial. Nombor metrik 09 DMB 20F1044.
Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Muhammad Afif bin Zulkifli. Nombor metrik 09 DMB 20F1018.
Okey, Munir, kau boleh mula. Nasrul. Sorry.
What is vector and scalar? Vector is quality that has magnitude and direction. For example, is gravity. Scalar is quality has only magnitude. For example, is mass. Scalar and vector. A scalar quantity has only magnitude. A vector quality has a both magnitude and direction. Scalar quality. Let area, volume, speed, mass, density, pressure, temperature, energy, entropy, work and power. Vector quality, displacement, velocity, acceleration, momentum, force, lift, drag, thrust weights. Why we know about vector and scalar? Everything that we do, from the driving a car to strike a perfect kick in football, has a vector and scalar involved in them. It is impossible for us to do what we love without improving vector and scalar. That's all for me. I pass to my another team.
Okay, Munir. 2 slide ni je.
Okay. How to use vector and scalar in
Solving engineering.
Calculate the distance, angle of trajectory and direction needed to shoot a perfect goal. Solving the problem, a kicker attempting a field goal 50 meters away from the goalpost. The head of the goalpost is 16. At what direction and what distance does the kicker need to kick the ball to score a field goal? That's all from me. I will pass to another friends.
Nasrul, buka kamera Nasrul. Okay. In solving the problem, we shall taking any information that we can get from the knee. So kickers attempting a field goal 50 meters away from the goalpost. This will be our x-axis of the knee. The height of the goalpost is 16 meters. This will be our own y-axis. So with this tool, we can find direction and the distance that you can calculate. For example, x-axis equals to b equals to 55 meter. Y-axis equals to a equals to 16 meter. To calculating magnitude, we shall use of the theorem Pythagoras for this. C times 2 equals to a times 2 plus b plus 2. So C sama dengan punca kuasa 2, 16 kuasa 2 tambah 52 kuasa 2. Bersamaan dengan punca kuasa 2, 3281. Jadi kita dengan ni bersamaan dengan 52.28 meter. Untuk mengira arah yang perlu digunakan untuk menyepak bola itu, kita gunakan fungsi inverse tan y per x. Jadi dengan ni kita ambil daripada x-axis dengan y-axis. Inverse tan sama dengan 16 meter per 55 meter. Bersamaan dengan inverse tan 0.2909. Kita ambil 4 titik perpuluhan yang terdekat. Jadi bersamaan dengan 16.22 darjah daripada ini untuk masukkan bola ke dalam gol. Okey, saya beri laluan kepada Afif.
Okay. So, how about we solve another problem? Okay. A basketball player is standing 8 meters away from basketball hoop and attempting to gain a score for his team. If the height of the hoop is 3 meters and the height of the player shoot the ball is 1.8 meter. At what angle, how far should the player shoot the ball to make it in? Okay, next. So we have a axis of x,
Axis Y.
excuse 8 meter, and axis of y is dalam kurungan 3 minus 1.8 sama dengan m 1.2 meter. We can find the magnitude and the direction with the information we have. So next. Okay. So we can define the magnitude. So axis of y equal 1.2 meter. So axis of x equal 8 meter. So magnitude is power source 8 square plus 1.2 square. So the answer is power source 65.44. So the answer is 8.03 meter. So the finding direction is delta sama dengan
Inverse tan.
inverse time y per x. So delta inverse time 1.2 per 8. So the delta inverse time 0.15. So the answer is 8.53 degree. So that's all for me. Thank you.
So in the end, we can find much of in every activity we do in our life, vector and scalar will always be existing in each of our activity. In the meantime, it is impossible for vector and scalar to not exist within in our everyday life. That's all from my team, and hopefully we will understand us. Thank you, and thank you for listening to our own presentation. Have a nice day.